Vivo and its sub-brand iQOO are reportedly gearing up to introduce multiple smartphones in China, while iQOO is expected to unveil the Z10 lineup in April. As revealed by the tipster, the iQOO Z10 Turbo is expected to be equipped with the Dimensity 8400 chipset and a 7600 mAh battery with 80W fast charging. The Z10 Turbo Pro, which is expected to launch alongside the Z10 Turbo, could feature the upcoming Snapdragon 8's Elite chipset, paired with a 7000 mAh battery supporting 120W fast charging. The iQOO Z10 is likely to be powered by the forthcoming Snapdragon 7 Gen 4 chip and offer 90W wired charging. On the other hand, the Z10X may come with an LCD screen, a Dimensity 7300 chip, and 44W charging. While the Turbo-branded models are expected to make their debut in April, reports suggest that the Z10 and Z10X variants could be released in Q3 2025. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.